How you doing, Luca?
I like it.
What are you reading the book Tales? Can you read it to Mama?
No. Yeah. Sweat, sweat, sweat. Wait,
What are you going to read next?
I know.
You don't know.
The train box.
Are you going to play with the train track?
Train with 2 books.
What books did you read?
Here's a night book.
Good night book?
Yeah.